Warning, you are about to enter the world of Doom. Welcome to episode 8 of Remaking Doom Devlog. So, in this episode, we are going to be making more of the enemy AI as much as we can. So, without any ado, let's get started. But first, this video is sponsored by myself. I actually launched a game called Super Bowl a little while ago, and it's available on the Play Store for Android, and if you want to download it on Windows, then it's available on each. So it's a pretty cool puzzle platformer game. I have only added 10 levels, but if you guys think that I should make more levels, please let me know in the comments and go ahead and download the game now. The link is in the description. So in this video, we are going to create the actual states for the robot enemy, the zombie man, and create a system to switch between them. That is the state machine. Now, I don't know if Unity has a finite state machine or behavior tree system like Unreal did. It of course did. But just for the original feel of Doom, I think I am going to program the state machine from scratch in C Sharp. Then I realized that the system that my robot uses for pathfinding is not really like the system that Doom uses, and I want to stay as consistent to the design as possible. Therefore, I'm going to write my own pathfinding system. So let's get started. This is how the Doom pathfinding system works. The monster, the enemy, first finds the direct path to the player and goes in that direction. If like it hits a wall or anything else that blocks its path, then it moves to a random path for a while before heading back straight towards its target, which means that pathfinding in Doom is not really pathfinding, it's just a random game. So this is what my super advanced code looks like in action, and as you can see, he is chasing us just fine, and he's also looking at us all the time, which means that he is working perfectly, and also we can easily kill him. But you must be wondering what will happen if you move behind an obstacle like that good old block over there. Well, if we do that, then the robot kind of manages to go around it and reach us, as you can see, but that's just because the collider hits the box and then it kind of goes around it, but you are standing straight in the front, then he won't be able to move, which means that we need to create a system for him to avoid the obstacle. But before we add obstacle avoidance to this robot, I think that you should go ahead and join my Discord server if you haven't done that already. The link is in the description. But then I watched Decino's video on Doom's AI, and by the way, he's a really cool guy. And then I figured out that my AI implementation, my pathfinding implementation, wasn't exactly correct. So here's the problem. So our robot is chasing us like all the time. We are doing the chase operation in an update function, which is wrong. In Doom, when we are doing pathfinding, we set a random move counter variable which is decremented, and then if the so first we set a direction to move in, then we keep moving in that direction even if the player moves away until our move counter is 0, and if it is 0, then we turn back towards the player again, and which means that it's not like exactly following the player all the time. It sets the variable at some interval basically. Then I use some cool kind of coroutines, that I enumerator thing. I seriously don't know why it is I enumerator. What does that mean? I mean, what's the point of the I in there? I mean, seriously, I have no idea. But anyway, it seems like you have to use it. So after that, this is what the game looks like. So yeah, that was pretty cool, and I would love to add more content to this video, but I'm already running out of time, and this video is already too long, so I think that I will end the video here, and the remaining part of the AI and pathfinding is for the next video. So I will see you next Saturday. Bye, and don't forget to join my Discord. Also, download Super Bowl at the link given below.